What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Damon Warren, and on this channel I share my tech information and I go on adventures. And today I had a question about VidiZone. And some of y'all are saying, what the heck is VidiZone? Well, what VidiZone is it's a website, and it allows you to do different screens, like intro screens. So let me pull it up here on my iPad. Okay, so here's the basic. Once you pay one time, and they got different levels, and you have these different intros and different tags that you can customize. So as you'll see, this is what one of them looks like. It's called Abstract, right? It will tell you on the bottom what you can customize on it. So the first one, you'll have a text, and right next to text it will have a number. On Abstract, the text is 4, so there's 4 different texts that you can apply. The one next to the microphone or the speaker lets you know there's 1 audio track. This one, Abstract Floral, 1 picture, 1 audio track, 2 colors. So you have the palette there. And I'm actually using my iPad because this is what I use. I'm a mobile content creator, and I am using Safari. I found out the Safari works the best on iPad. So here's one, Neon Burst. So this one has 1 picture, 1 sound, 2 colors. All right, so let's start with that one. You want to see a preview on it. You just tap on it, takes you to the screen, and now you'll see what that preview will look like. My logo will go there. On the side here, you'll see duration 8 seconds. It was added 5 months ago. Here you go. Once again, tap on the image, 1 audio, 1 color. So I like this. So let's use this one. And these sounds are copyrighted, so we're good with that. Yeah, that's nice, right? So I'm gonna turn the sound off. You hit down here, customize video. I'm gonna hit browse. Pictures, there it is. Now I did it as a PNG with a transparent background, so that's why that white disappeared. So now that I have that 1 picture in there, I hit next. Now I can customize my colors. Somebody actually asked me, they didn't see you. So when you go in here, you go into the colors. Now I'm going to show you one way, and then I'm going to show you how to really make sure that you're customizing, because I can just use this color palette here, and let's go green, and then we'll go red. So choose. So now I'm going to have a green and a red color. So I go to next step. What it's actually doing is generating the preview. It doesn't play through on the preview. It just allows you to see what the different screens will look like. So they'll start populating. I've got the green and the red. And I go, oh, I like that. But you know what? The red, not so much. So I can now go back, and instead of red, let's do something crazy. Let's go white. Choose white, goes back into the screen, and see right down here, it's actually regenerating those slides. You give it a couple seconds, and I can also do different variations. So let's say I like this next one, I can render it, and then render another one with different colors. So this is now with the green and white color scheme. There's the white, that was red, now that's white. That's what that's going to look like, and it gives you a rough idea of what these slides are going to look like. Boom, I hit create your video right down here, and it goes into a rendering screen. And you can set these preferences up to actually send an email. While that's happening, I can go into another template and work on something else. Once it's rendered, you'll get the videos here. Then once they're here, you can download the video. This is a website, so once again, I can create it here, download it somewhere else. Now, one of the other things I wanted to show y'all, changing the colors. I have a certain branding, so if you go look at my image, I have that kind of purple with the green and the yellow. Now they say here's a power tip for you. A website called Coolors, Coolors, Coolors. And there's an app. I don't have the app, I just use the website. It's free. And what this allows you to do is start creating a color palette. So you're not just generalizing with your colors, you can actually specifically pick certain colors. So here's my different color palettes that I have. I want to make sure that I keep consistency with my colors. So this is the purple. And you say all the purples look alike, but see right here, it says hex. That is a specific code for that color used in program. So if I just tap on it, see it says copied. If I go into VidiZone and I go into colors, and if I hit down here at the bottom, there's kind of like a code right there. Tap where the hex code is, paste in that hex code, choose. I get the exact same color that I have. So I now have this consistency in my branding. Make sure you hit choose. So I got purple and this yellow. Next step. So I use coolers to keep my palette and my branding colors. There you go. VidiZone, coolers, making cool tags and all kinds of stuff. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment. Hope this helped you. And remember, take care of each other. Peace out. I'll see you all soon.